Hey everybody, what's cracking? This is the KhaosDubz channel. I'm your host Chaos, and today I got another knife review for you. This one's one of my favorites. Stay tuned, here we go. So today, I want to show you the biggest pocket knife in the world. Today we're going over the S-TEC Folding Cleaver. This is gotta be easily one of the biggest pocket knives in the world. It is absolutely massive, folks. It's about a foot long, maybe even 13 inches. Now there is two different sizes of this guy. There's like the 8-inch version or whatever, which is like a normal size knife. Like some of the other knives I've showed you in some of my other videos. But this guy here, this thing is just an absolute beast. Now usually a lot of these knives I'd be showing you are spring assisted. This one's not. This one just has ball bearings in it. There's no spring at all, as you can see. It just very smoothly moves in and out. Another neat feature of this knife, it's a frame lock knife. So rather than a liner lock, which is how a lot of knives are, this one's a frame lock. So the actual frame of the knife is the part that locks the blade in place, rather than a piece on the inside, as you can see there. This knife is available in Canada. You can get it, I'll leave some links at the bottom of the video and show you where you can get it at. But the small one isn't available on that same website, unfortunately, although Amazon may have them. I'm going to be honest, folks, this is not a cheap knife. This is not a cheap knife. If you want to roll with the big boys and have one of these, you're gonna have to pay for it. But I'll tell you, it's worth every penny. This knife weighs over 2 pounds and is just an absolute beast. I don't even know what else to say. Like, this thing is bananas, you guys. Like, holy crap. So yeah, this review's gonna be pretty quick. I just wanted to give you guys a good view of this thing. It's a little beat up because, I'll be honest, I carry this with me on the dirt bike. It's basically an axe if you need it to be, and it really doesn't take up a whole lot of space. You can fit it in your average jeans or hoodie pocket. Not that, you know, you really need to be carrying something like that friggin' big all the time, but you know, it's damn cool to have, I'll tell you that. It's got a nice belt clip on it. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it does come in this awesome case. It comes with it. And the case has a belt loop on it. I think the case is a little pointless because, I mean, it's got this wicked huge belt clip on it, and it's got some serious tension on it. It's pretty hard to click there. So she's not coming off your belt. The only issue with it is you got this big flipper, so it can open pretty easy because there's nothing holding it. Whereas a spring assisted knife generally has a spring that's holding it closed as well. What else can I say about it? Yeah, the ball bearing action's really nice. This knife hasn't really come loose. It's not the tightest from the factory, but the screws generally come loose on a lot of these knives. And yes, guys, this is a Chinese knife. This is a rip-off of an $800 version of the similar knife. The $800 version has a hole here because it is a folding cleaver, of course, and you know the cleavers have that hole. I've been considering drilling one myself just because it looks badass when you have it. One thing I've heard that people complain about this, and it kind of makes sense, is when you're trying to cleave meat, you got this big flipper here, so it does kind of get in the way, as you see there. It causes some issues when you're trying to do that. So but yeah, I wanted to keep this review short, and this is the S-TEC Folding Cleaver, folks. So check the links in the bottom of the description, and thank you for tuning in, and have a killer day. Peace out. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you want to stay up to date with the latest content and see more from me, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down in the bottom there. Catch you next time.